This is my ETM RTR, a mini supermoto that is so fun and such a good stunt bike. But recently, it's come to my attention that apparently the RTR was designed for off-road trail and track riding. Why did no one tell me this? So after gaining this understanding, I realized there's two things that I'm gonna have to do to ride this bike the way it was intended. First up, I need to strip this thing of its not so shiny supermoto wheels and convert it back to the stock dirt wheels and tires. I'm taking care to add spacers behind the rear rotor on my dirt wheels so my formula brakes still mount correctly. Whoo-wee, and would you look at that? An off-road capable, dirt-ready dirt bike. Now, time to address the second issue. Step 2, find a place to ride. Now, I haven't really been able to find any real trails to take this thing on around my area, but I think I just found something on Google that looks promising. So, with the RTR loaded into the back of my van, I'm crossing my fingers that the locals here don't give me a hard time. Okay, we're here. Mountain bikers, look away. Yes, the spot I found is technically an MTB trail, but I don't see signs anywhere stating that no e-bikes are allowed. So we're gonna ride it and try and be as respectful as possible. Let's go. All right, let's do this thing. First off though, just appreciate the beauty that this bike is in dirt form. It looks so good. I haven't had it this way since I first got it, but I'm excited to test this thing out. I will note the front wheel is getting a little stuck on the brake rotor, so I don't know what that's all about, but let's just do this. There's a trail entrance up here. Hopefully we don't run into any unhappy mountain bikers, but can you wheelie with the dirt wheels? It's 28 degrees out right now, guys, so it's freezing. I don't know even what is back here, so you're gonna see with me. But this is what this bike is actually made for, so I'm excited to take it out here. Now that I got the Rizzler, I'm thinking about making this my little dirt ripper. The Rizzler can be my little street queen. I'm such a bad off-road rider. Oh, they have jumps and shit too? Oh, that's a little jump. We'll get a lay of the land first here. I see falling in my future. I don't know how you track guys do it. But if you guys been wanting the off-road content, I'm happy to bring it to you. And these dirt tires just hook up. I don't know what you dirt guys are running as far as tires goes if you go aftermarket, but I'm so used to supermotos that these just feel so grippy. Yeah, come down here to the tree. Got a little berm. It's a little slick. Riding this really does show me how talented the likes of like Zay Solis, Mini Whips, Electro, you guys are all good as fuck off-road. While I get to this, what looks like opening up here, do want to let you guys know I am giving away a $1,000 ENC gift card. Yeah, that's my own money. All you have to do to get entered is buy a sticker from ConnorGmedia.com, and I'll choose one of you random people to win once we hit 100K. Oh my God, this thing does feel solid. Little creek to the hill climb. Oh, this is sick, dude. How long does this go for? It's my first time through these trails, so I don't really know what goes where. Pretty sure there's some more up on the other side too. Ooh, and this is where it takes you out. Holy hell. We gotta find some jumps. I really want to learn to jump this thing. Got a little, whoa, little tree hop. This thing's performing flawlessly. It's almost like this is what it was actually made for. But you know, not a ton of people outside of Mini Whips make a lot of content, specifically on the RTR riding off-road. Oh, that looks like a little obstacle. Oh my God, the mud is literally frozen. That's working to our advantage right now, because the other day when I was scouting this out, it looked super muddy, but now all the mud's frozen because it's 28 degrees right now. Oh, little berm. This is so sick, dude. Definitely got to try and find some jumps. Oh my God, it just keeps going and going. Oh, should we try it? I think we got it, right? This is just such a gold mine, dude. Such a gold mine. This is like a Paul So Hard type deal. Oh my God. Almost got the whole thing. This is so sick. Just keep her straight, buddy. Woo. Oh. Whoa! Like it's pretty wide, but once you're rolling on it, get your endorphins going. Oh, this is where you don't want to get stuck. That was silly. Woo! Hill climb, baby! Oh my god, almost went down. Dude, there's so much shit here. It's just crazy. There's trails this way, that way, that way, that way. It's like endless. Let's go up this way though. No doubt in the RTR. I wouldn't want a mountain bike this. That'll require a lot of leg work. I'll tell you what, having these formulas out here, really confidence inspiring because they just work so well. Even if the front rotor's rubbing a bit. I feel like I should be wearing damn boots out here as we slam into these rocks. Oh, a little hill climbing into the berm. Watch the trunk. Oh my god, does this bike belong here? Really requires a lot of concentration though. Like, look at this. I'm literally babying it up this hill and I'm just sitting on it. Just chugs along. Those tree roots look like Harry Potter. Whoa!
You're a wizard.
ConnorG Media.
Yeah. Enter me in that Red Bull hill climb contest. I'm ready. I'll do it on the RTR. Whoa! What's that? Is that a snowman? Maybe you have to touch it for good luck. Is that a car? Wow, wait. Look at this thing. Look at the door on it. The motor's still in it. Wow, I wonder what model car this was. Oh, a jump! Oh, this is a jump. Oh, that's a jump. We found the jumps. Let's go. We guys, I am just having way too much fun out here. Apologies for the snot and the sweat and whatever's going on, but dude, this is so sick. This little jump trail here is also so much fun, so I'm going to show you guys a quick rip from all the way back there, rip it through, rip it back up this way, and then we'll just keep going exploring. Holy crap, am I happy that I put this thing back to dirt trim. Not only does it look so good in the all black, got our lighting and everything on it, it just looks so proper. This might be the new proper off-road bike, but let's get back to the GoPro. Why are we at the car? Well, the GoPro battery, I guess it died. I don't know. It said the SD card wasn't working, so back to the trails now. The GoPro's recording in 10-second increments, then turning off. Let's hope it keeps going. I can't see. Last clip on the GoPro, because this thing is such a piece of shit. We'll be back, baby, with a better camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh my god, it's so cold. The wind is making me cry. Well, apologies for the abrupt scene change, but don't you just love it when all of your equipment fails on you? GoPro, completely charged battery, keeps turning off because it says it's low battery. It's at 90%. It also said SD card error, so I am just thankful that we still have the videos that are on it. Phone, also used that for like 2 seconds till that died. So not a failure, but it just died. That sucked. So next time I ride, I need a better action camera. I'm over this piece of shit GoPro, but bike's loaded up. That was a ton of fun. I'm definitely coming back here. I really want to get better at riding and these types of trails. And who knows, the RTR might be staying in its little pit bike dirt form because there's so much I can do with it. But if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Content ideas, anything, definitely let me know. Again, if you want to get entered to win a $1,000 ENC gift card, that's my money, $1,000 to win a gift card. Go buy stickers at ConnorGmedia.com. Once we hit 1,000 subs, we will give that away to a random order. Otherwise, I'm gonna go home and order a new camera. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.